In a world brimming with opportunities and challenges, empowering children with the right skills sets them on a path of growth and success. Youth Skills Day celebrates the significance of equipping young minds with essential abilities, enabling them to navigate the complexities of life. This Youth Skills Day, we organized a Rubik's Cube workshop for the students of MCN Higher Secondary School. The event featured a dedicated Rubik's Cube instructor who taught the kids various tricks and tips to solve the Rubik's Cube. It is imperative to recognize the transformative power of skill acquisition. Learning skills during childhood nurtures a foundation for lifelong learning, fosters problem-solving skills, and helps self-confidence. So, let's keep teaching and always let's keep learning. Happy Youth Skills Day!